Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and matching base URLs. Once those are confirmed, open Confluence administration and go straight to application links. Enter your Jira site URL and click Create. Make sure you choose the authentication style now. OAuth is recommended for security. You should prepare a consumer key and public key if required. Once done, Confluence begins the handshake, so keep your Jira admin window ready to accept or configure the incoming connection. You will now perform the detailed exchange. In Confluence's application link screen, choose the Jira entry and edit. Select OAuth with impersonation and paste the consumer key plus the public key you generated. Then switch to Jira, create a reciprocal application link if prompted, and paste the corresponding details back into Confluence. Make sure to enable incoming and outgoing authentication for both sides. Once finished, run the test connection. A successful response confirms tokens were exchanged, and that you finish by enabling the Jira macros and setting Confluence space permissions so users can view and create issues. Then create a test page and use the Jira issue macro to search or create an issue. This proves the link and permissions. If something fails, check the base URL and protocol match exactly, ensure server clocks are synchronized, and that both sides trust the consumer key. If permissions block actions, review both Jira project and Confluence space permissions. Once tests pass, document the link details for your team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.